घर एक ऐसा लक्ष्य है जिसे पाने के लिए हम जीवन भर संघर्ष करते हैं। इसकी चार दीवारियों के बीच हम खुशियों का एक माहौल बसाते हैं। रोज की भागदौड़ से दूर शांति का एक बसेरा बनाते हैं। आओ एक पहचान बनाएं, अपने सपनों को साकार करें। A project is being launched in Karjat that will give shape to your aspirations. Due to its close proximity, Karjat has emerged as an important satellite city to Mumbai. Various modern facilities, infrastructure and amenities have made Karjat an ideal residential destination for many families. Karjat falls in the Navi Mumbai Airport Notified Area or NENA, which has become the next big realty destination. It is fast developing into an educational hub, owing to the presence of approximately 30 institutes. If you are looking for a home amidst lush greenery and a pollution-free environment, Karjat is the place to go. Skyline Riverside, a project in Karjat, aims to bring your aspirations for the perfect home into reality. It has beautiful apartments that perfectly balance your need to have all the basic amenities in close proximity and also have a naturally beautiful surrounding. The highlight of this project is its strategic location, owing to which it is in close proximity of the ST bus stand, Karjat railway station, Karjat main bazaar, Chowk Fata, and the golf course. It is easily accessible from the old Mumbai-Pune highway and is just 32 kilometers away from the upcoming international airport. The project has well laid out one-room kitchen and 1 BHK apartments with optimum utilization of space. We have put in a lot of thought in crafting these beautiful homes for you. It is Vastu compliant and constructed under the supervision of skilled engineers and architects. Every flat comes with vitrified flooring that will awe you, A-grade ceramic tiles and a well laid out granite kitchen platform. Every apartment has value for money internal amenities. The phase 1 of the project has been completed and possession has been given with OC. We are now proud to announce the launch of phase 2. All approvals of the phase 2 have been received and the work is on in full swing. The Skyline Group is a reputed organization which is known for its high quality and its commitment towards elevating lifestyles. It is a name many home seekers like you have put their trust in. This project is by Skyline Millers Limited, a company since 1960 which is listed on BSE and ASE as well. Come, stay in Skyline Riverside and live your dream of owning your own home.